Yes, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
And why are you late? Many of you are late actually. Still, people are joining.
The class was not at all visible, sir. For the
For
past
us, it didn't even start, sir. For
Yes,
me.
sir.
Yes, sir.
For us, that joint live class.
also, sir, and I called you also, sir.
Sir, I kept your message also.
Oh, is it so? I think then from my side it was yes.
Yeah, the class started just 3 minutes ago for me.
Mm-hmm. Okay, chalo, let's get started. So, till what we have discussed.
Sir, completed. Question answers we should discuss.
We are in statistics, isn't it?
Yes, sir. We completed it.
Okay.
Yes.
Just a minute.
Should we start?
Yes, once again.
Sir, today I should send the link, sir, for quiz.
Yes. Quiz. Shall we go with a quiz or do you want to write at last?
So we have to complete the chapter, right?
Completed, right?
Yeah, I mean the next one.
Statistics.
Okay. Like question answers.
Yeah. Okay, so do you want to write a quiz first?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
who are
Sir,
going the questions?
I asked you. Sir. I
Yes,
asked you, sir.
please pose the questions immediately.
Yes, sir. I will post, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. I will post. One minute, sir.
Did you post the link?
Make it fast.
Sir, it is not. It is not. The link is not able to come, sir. That is good. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Now I'm getting 1 minute. Yeah, got it. I think. Sir, you can join.
Yes, everyone, please immediately join that. And who else? Who else has prepared the questions?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, there are some other members, sir, not like our class members.
No problem, no problem. Let them be. No problem. What happened now?
Okay, sir, I will refresh it. I will refresh it 1 minute. Some technical issues, sir, that is why. Right. Can I start the quiz?
Sir, I'm
Sir,
doing
can I
the quiz,
start the
sir.
quiz? Okay.
Yes, how many of them joined? See, if major of
Sir,
how,
like it's not asking our name, nothing, sir. It just directly connected us with the
Just
quiz.
starting directly, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Name nothing. It directly started with the quiz.
no. What I'm asking is, see, count. How many people? It shows count, right?
Sir, means
So
I
Sir,
that's
we
the
cannot
are
thing,
see.
sir. It's
we are
not
not
showing.
playing among ourselves,
So
sir. We are playing
Shriyan
with
gave
some
a
other.
public quiz, sir.
Yes,
He
sir.
didn't
He
give a
gave a
private
public
one.
one.
He gave a
Sir.
public quiz.
Okay. So no problem. So public quiz means you won't be able to say anything, huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So whatever. Please start the quiz. No problem. Let be it. No problem. Let's get started.
Sir, I did not start also for the quiz, sir, but it is showing as started.
It's a public quiz. Like
The public is.
okay.
So I completed the quiz.
So he
Same
needs to
here.
send it through the challenging of his friends. Like has to be like challenge friends, not like this. If it's like this, we cannot compete with each other.
Yes, sir.
Okay, make it fast. Stay and just do that.
Sir, means I cannot see, sir, any ranks I cannot see. I did not start also, but it is started.
That is what,
You
ma'am.
have
That is what
to
I'm
do
saying.
the share with challenge friends option. Select on that option.
Okay. Okay. Now I got it, sir. Now I got it. But I should share another link. Please join. That's some technical issue.
So have you started the quiz?
No. Come fast. 10 members.
Yes, sir. Now
11 members came. But 13 members came, sir. Can I start the quiz or I should wait some time?
Yeah, just wait for like 30 seconds, then you can start. Everyone should join.
Yes, sir. 14 members came, sir. Still 7 members should join.
Yes.
Sir, I'm starting the quiz. Is it okay?
Yes, you can do, man. 30 seconds done.
Okay.
Make it fast.
Sir, maximum all complete, sir. Piyush has not
Yes, 1 second, please, please, please. Let them write. 1 minute, please.
done. All are completed, sir.
No problem. Let him finish. So we didn't even connect for right. Wait.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, you can wind it to the quiz. Tell me the rankings. Make it fast.
Yeah, sir. I'm saying the rankings.
Sir, I think the question got too large to solve for some time.
Sir, first rank is Aditi, sir. Sir,
Yes, tell me. I'm hearing,
Second-
man. Keep telling. Why? Make it fast. Tell
Okay,
me.
okay.
I'm
second
yes.
second Krishna Chaitanya. Third is someone boss itself, sir. Fourth is Moe. Fifth is Devasri. Sixth is Aditya. Seventh is Akshit. Eighth is Ananya. Ninth is Sai Akshit. 10th is Vedi. 11th Bhargav. 12th Pranav. 13th Krishnika. 14th Sujay. 15th someone Alexa. 16th myself. It's my random place. 7th Kavya Singh.
Okay, congratulations, top three. Who are the top three? Aditi, who is the top three? Can you please top three?
Aditi and someone boss itself, sir.
Who is the boss?
And
Krishna
some-
Chaitanya.
Krishna Chaitanya.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, let
I
me.
think questions were too large within some time. That time was very less and questions were too large
Okay.
to apply.
Yes, so the questions were
sir.
kinda like we needed to solve them for
So-
a while.
Taking pen and paper, etc. And
Sir,
time was
actually, till
7 seconds.
actually the last test had all the three questions, which
So I don't think it was possible to do in some time.
I didn't get you.
So I think the all questions were like find the area of this triangle using Heron's formula. So and the time was only 5 to 7 seconds. So I
Okay.
don't think it was possible to solve. And digits are very big, like 56, 71, etc.
Yes,
etc.
sir.
So
Okay.
time was very less and questions were big.
Yes, sir. Actually, like we needed to solve them.
Sorry?
We needed to solve the question, and the time was very little. Like it was only 5 seconds per question or something like that.
Okay. So no problem. So yes, you can solve the question afterwards. So Shreyan, I think you might have taken the questions whichever not known to you. No problem. Shreyan, actually you can take, but you should have given much time. That's what
I did not kept any settings for time, sir. I kept unlimited.
But if Rain was saying that everyone has attempted the everyone finished the quiz, then that's the reason I just asked him to wind up. And now
Yes, sir.
you-
Everyone has completed.
So like first question, there are 30 time limits, right? Like this question should be answered within 5 to 10 seconds or 5 to 7 seconds.
Hmm.
So that's why. Like finding the area using Heron's formula with such big digits was, I think, a very difficult job within 5 to 7 seconds.
Sir, can we have another quiz?
Yes, sir. Can we have?
Okay, you want me to conduct one more quiz?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'll conduct myself. So now look at this here, no problem, I'll conduct. But after this, last quiz, and probably next class, tomorrow you have exam. You have exam on what topic you want to write?
Sir,
Sir,
on
statistics.
So
That is
tomorrow,
it's
Sunday.
day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
day after tomorrow only. Everyone turn on your cameras. I do not want to speak anyone without turning on your cameras. Still, there are many who need to turn on their cameras. There are many need to turn on your cameras. Yes. And tell me next class, who is going to prepare the questions? Who is going to prepare the questions? Taruni?
Okay, sir.
What do you have to do?
Sir, I'll make questions which I am not familiar with.
Okay. From which chapter? From which chapter? Tell me.
Sir, from Heron's formula. Yes, sir, from Heron's formula.
Okay, no problem, Aditi. What about who else? Vedika? Vedika,
Yes, sir.
will you be able to make the questions?
Sure, sir.
So Taruni and Vedika for next class. And on Wednesday's class, who is going to prepare? Krishna Chaitanya? Krishna Chaitanya and Jivika, or like any other?
Sir, I have to make on Heron's formula, right?
Yes. No problem. You can make it on Heron's formula or else the chapter, whichever you are not familiar with. You can make
Okay,
it.
sir.
Prepare any topic. Okay. Vedika, only 3 questions, not more than that, only 3 questions. Taruni, you have to prepare 3 questions from Heron's formula. And Vedika, if you are not familiar with the Heron's formula, you just prepare, Heron's formula questions. Yes, Krishna Chaitanya, you have to prepare on a Wednesday. And who else? Jivika, would you be able to do?
Sir, on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Okay.
First, everyone turn on your campus. Aditi, Akshit, Sai Akshit, Jivika, Kavya, Singhal, Krishna Chaitanya, Pranav, everyone turn on your cameras. Everyone.
Sir,
Kavya.
this is Aditi. Actually, there's some problem with my device. So, like, most of the time my screen looks blank if I'm on the way.
Okay. No problem. See here, on Wednesday, who's going to prepare? Jivika and Krishna Chaitanya. And Kavya, you are going to prepare on same day.
Sir?
You're
On
going to
Wednesday.
not Wednesday, same day in the sense what is like Friday. I mean like next Friday. Is that clear? Next
Sir.
Friday you're going to prepare.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next Friday and next yeah, so I just gave to 3 groups now. So next week fully we can have it. Okay. Here. All right. Done?
Sir.
Yes. Okay. So then let's get started. You want me to conduct quiz, right? So 53 now. Time is 53. So till 58, we are going to finish it up. Quizzes.com, this one.
So, sir, you're saying that I will conduct a quiz at 5:58.
So tell me which chapter you want me to conduct. Make it fast.
So polynomials.
So, statistics, the portion till we.
No. Polynomials, statistics. We didn't finish full syllabus, right?
Yes, sir, so we'll just have the basics.
Basic. Will you be able to
Yes,
find
sir.
out the basic test? No problem. If it is
Yes, sir. You have those kinds of quizzes.
statistics. Okay, we'll have it. Shall we? Just join it, make it fast immediately. Yes, guys, we have enough time. Don't worry, we have enough time to finish our syllabus, so no problem. We left with only one chapter. We can finish it up. That was statistics. Already we started. We have to finish the exercise. I mean, like.
I'm unable to join the quiz, sir. It's saying the code is not identified.
Try it again.
Yes, sir. I'm trying. Still, I'm unable to join.
16 members have joined. Still 4 members. So that.
Yes, sir. Could join.
Shall I? Shall I start? Only who else? Guys, 3 members. Still 3 members has to join. Who's that? See, who didn't join? I could see the. Let me present the screen here. Let me present the screen. See, only these guys. Deva, Ananya, Piyush, Aditya, Vedika. I don't see Jivika joined. Jivika, did you join?
Yes, sir. It's just taking a little while. I'm joining.
Sorry.
Sir, it's taking a little time to joining.
Okay, 1 second. Who else has to join? Everyone must write, guys. Everyone must write. Very, very important to attempt the quiz. It gives you boost and it confidence. Who else? 18 members. Still 2 more. Who is that? Who's that? Who's that? Guys, find it out. Find it out. One more guy. One more guy. Who's that? One more guy. Who's that? Come on. Who's that? I think. Yes. So 19 members have joined. So let's get started now. I'm starting the quiz. Chalo.
So can you mute yourself?
Yes. Yes. Done. Can you hear any noise now? No. Isn't it? Yes. Come on. Make it fast.
Sir, this twist until like logs in, something like that.
We don't have the formula, sir.
So if you don't have, leave that. No problem.
Wow.
Sir, but there are no logarithms in the syllabus, right, sir?
So that's what I told now. What did you listen? Leave the questions related to logarithms. Guys, done? How many have done?
Done, sir.
So what does it, the red color, pink color shows? You didn't
Other
attempt to.
mistakes.
So
Wrong,
that's
sir.
mistakes.
Okay, yellow color
Mistake
shows?
ratio.
So that means like continuous.
Highest street.
Continuous?
Street, sir.
correct.
Okay, okay, okay. Who is the boss? Who is boss? Boss. Who is boss? Hello?
I don't know, sir.
Don't know, sir.
So what does class intervals mean?
Sir, I don't know who's the boss guy.
Huh?
Sir, I don't know who's the boss guy.
Just now, you know,
Should
you
we
Can
end
you
it?
scroll up? Sir, can you scroll up better?
So what does class intervals mean?
Sorry, yaar.
So should we end it?
see, yeah, the class interval means, so the width of the class should be a particular distribution, I would say. Like 45 to, like, 45 to 49, again 40 to 44, like 0 to 4, again 5 to 9, again 10 to 14, again
Yes, sir,
15 to
that I
19.
know. But when I gave the answer like that only, it was telling wrong.
No problem. Wait. That's for the reason I told we'll discuss everything and we'll have a quiz. You only told that we'll have a quiz, no problem. No problem, we'll discuss it. Koi na beta, koi na. Chill. Clear? We'll have the quiz. Shall we start? Shall we wind up the session now?
Yes, sir. Like
Yes.
end the question.
Yes, sir.
Devasri first. Boss. Who is boss? Second, Piyush third. Congratulations. So yes. Who is boss? Who is boss? Tell me your name.
So maybe some random person somehow got the link.
No, I think he is from some other class. So okay, no problem. Look at this. Is the boss is here now? He's not here. No problem. Chalo. Guys, look at this. Who was asking the question? Sujay. Which question was that, Sujay?
Hello.
Sujay, which question was that?
So me,
Yes.
yes, sir, this one. No, so the this one I answered wrong, but the other one, yeah, so this one.
So for the following class interval, determine the class size. What is the class size?
Okay. So how many classes there are?
Class size means, what do you mean by class size, guys? Tell me. So 42 to 47 have 48 to 40.
Yes, I understood.
42,
42, 47 is one. 48 to 53 is one.
There is number of classes. There is number of.
Yes, I got it.
Okay, size means 42 to 45. We have a difference 5.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is what. Congratulations. So I need everyone to see in top 5 or top 6, guys. So many of you got like 1 second. Devasri, Boss, Piyush, Kavya 4, Toshnika top 5. No problem. Congratulations to everyone. So but Bhargav, Pranav, Sai Akshit, Vedika, Ananya, these are in next top 5. I mean top 10. So I should see. Toshnika, you gave 2 attempts. Why?
So actually, as I told you that I was unable to access it. So yeah, I joined the middle of the quiz, so I had to reattend.
No problem. So see, I should see many of you. Jivika got 50% of the. Why Jivika?
Sir, I was having a little bit of internet issue, so it kept getting staticky in the middle.
Okay. Who is Parth 2?
Sir, before you told the class size is 5, no, sir, difference like that.
Huh?
Sir, you told the class size is 5, no, sir, but it's 6.
Huh? See, whatever the options given over there, but I said that the difference, but we didn't check the question properly. That is what the answer. You have to check it properly, give the answer. Correct only. 6.
Like we need to include 42 and 47.
That if you include means 6.
You should not include 47, right, sir?
Where is that question? Look, show me. Where is that? Which one? 1 second. For everyone, same order. It's not same order, no? Where is that question here? This one?
No, sir, the third one. Yes, sir.
Can't we enlarge the question?
So like review
You
question
can
is there, right?
go to
Sir,
the
review
review question.
Question acha. So look at this.
This one or this one?
No, sir, next one, sir.
So this one, sir.
This is number of classes.
Number of classes. Number of classes 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir, this is the question.
Look at this here. So for following class interval, determine the class size. So 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 6 only, correct only, no? After including that. You understand my point? 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 6, 48, 1, 49, 2, 43, 53, 51, 4, 52, 5, 53, 6. Correct only, 6 only. Yes, we must include that. Is that clear? So we'll solve the question. You will be able to understand. Don't worry. Clear. So after that only we are getting a 6. No problem. We must include Piyush. So I could find only 6 questions. Who is Partha Ahuja?
So me, sir.
Yes, what was the issue?
You ended the quiz, sir.
Okay, no problem. Chalo. We are in this one. So chalo, we'll solve the questions. So in last class, how many questions we solved? We solved a couple of questions, isn't it? From your exercise. So we'll try to solve different type of questions in this class. Chalo. Guys, look at this here. Basically, in I think Piyush, what went wrong, Piyush? Guys, this is the last chapter where we need to focus for everything we have done. So statistics, isn't it? In the statistics, guys, like first exercise, I think we have done with that. So second exercise, guys, in second exercise, can you everyone please open the second exercise?
One minute.
See, many of you were asking the class interval, right? Look at this, everyone. See here, first suppose I have math score here, like 22, 29 members got 3. Let's say 32, 39 got 14. So what is the class size of this? What is the size? Class size means like, 2 now. Class size is this 1, 2. Now look at this here. What is the class interval? Hello?
The class interval is only 20 to 29, sir.
So
Class
22,
size is
class 20 to 29. Class interval is 20 to 29, 30 to 39. Now I'm asking that what is the frequency? This is a frequency here. The frequency. These are marks. I would say that marks. I'm asking number of classes. Number of classes. How many classes we have?
2.
2 classes. All right. So what is the difference? Tell me, what is the difference? What's the
between
difference?
what?
Between marks.
Frequency.
Huh?
Frequency.
Frequency means what? What do you mean by frequency? Frequency means how many times it is there. So 20 to 29 marks. So for 3 like that. That is not that one. See, in last question, what we got in the last question, what was our quiz question? So there were 42, 45. Is that it? So again 46 to some 52. He was asking, and 53 to some 58. Again 59 to some 64. Again some 65 to let us say some 65 to some 71, something like that, right? So look at this now. So here, I think we don't have proper data here. Let us 42 to 47. If I give 42 to 47, 42 to 47. What is 42 and 47? Tell me here. 42 is lower limit. 47 is upper limit. Now look at this. First of all, class size. class size means number of classes. Look at this here. How many classes I have? First of all, I have only one class, so class size is 1 here. So if I have 3, 4, 5, 6 classes, I can just tell that, I have 4 classes, 5 classes, depends on that. What is the class interval? The range. Huh?
The 20 to 29, the class interval.
Class interval is 20 to 29. Interval means from where to where it is lying. That is what interval is. From where to where it is lying. 20 to 29 is a class interval. Now, if I ask you that difference.
That's the size, right?
Size. What is the size of the class? Size of the class is what? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. That's the size. I hope it is clear with everyone.
9, sir.
9. So if you include 22 until 29, it will be 9. Number of classes is, you have to count out how many classes you have. That is number of class. And the frequency he will give in the question. Don't worry. We cannot judge the we cannot write any random frequency. He'll be giving the question.
Sir, I'm not understanding.
Huh? What is your doubt? Tell me.
Sir, means 20 to 29. In that quiz also they mentioned that 20 to 29, sir. But so it is 9. So they give answers 3 means. How is it possible that I did not understand it?
So 20 to 20. That is what I'm asking. Class size, number of classes is 2 here. That is clear?
Yeah, sir.
Clear. So what is the class size? 20, 21, 22, till 29. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5.
1. So you write 1, 2s and count it out. Okay.
10, sir. 10 it will come.
So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Look at this. Now, if you count it, is it 10, right?
Yes,
now, if I start again with the 29, I shouldn't have count that. It is starting again with the 30. So I must count that. Clear, Piyush?
Yes. At least.
So now look at this here. We just had a notes. Please go through your class notes. I think we have given a notes. Where is that? Is that class? Here. This one. Here. Look at this here. Not this one. 1 second. Yes. Look at this here. Statistics. What is frequency? Look at the frequency. What is the frequency? I told number of times a particular instant occurs. Okay. Class interval. What is a class interval? A size of the class into which a particular data is divided. Divisions of a bar graph I told. Class width means upper class minus lower class. If I ask class width, upper class minus lower class, you must do. Class interval means what? Size of the class into which a particular data is involved. Clear? A data is divided.
Means how to solve it, sir? Can you give an example for it?
We'll solve the questions. No,
okay.
No problem. I'll tell you. No, regular class interval. Look at this. If I talk about regular class interval, 0 to 10. Again, 10 to 20. It is a regular. Again, it is starting with a 10, right? Now, irregular means what? Look at this. Irregular.
0 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 40.
We don't have the size of the varying sizes. So regular interval means will be having fixed same size. Irregular irregular class interval means the size will be varying. It will be different.
Okay,
So,
sir.
yes, please go through this ungrouped frequency table, and after that look at this here, number of students. So yes, we'll solve the questions. We have questions.
Okay.
We have. So from the quiz, you got any idea, guys? Did you get any idea how the questions of statistics would be? So yes, we didn't even solve, but I just told you to solve a couple of problems. How many have you done? I just asked you to solve. First exercise problems I asked you. Done? Great.
And extra questions are also done for me, sir.
Okay, see here. So first two questions that I just asked you to give an example of data that you collected in your daily life. That is a kind of task. How many have you done that? Guys, and a 4.2, exercise 14.2 also I just asked you to do. How many have you done that?
Could you repeat?
So what I'm asking is, I just gave 2 questions. From 14.1 exercise, we have 2 questions. Those are give 5 examples of data that you have collected from your day-to-day life. And second one is classify the question number. Classify the data in question number 1 above as primary or secondary data. That is a kind of task I gave you. You can take any data. Yes, you can take any data like whatever you appear with, you can take any data. There is no compulsion that you have to take that data only, this data only. You can take any data and analyze it. And 14.2 also, guys, we have, I just asked you to take, we have 4 questions. Just look at these 4 questions, try solving this. If you don't get, let me ask in, let me teach in tomorrow's class. If you don't get, okay, please do solve the questions. And don't, how many have you done? I just asked you to do this. How many have you done? At least tried.
Data
Done,
collection.
sir.
Forgetting to keep message, sir, but I'm doing it.
Everyone, please, must do a message. If you drop a message that, I can understand that though these guys are doing. So yes, many of you are not doing that. Clear? Okay, no problem. So I'll share this again. I'll share this class notes again. This one, this one, 14.1, 14.2. So everyone solve this. Okay, I'll share this again. All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You can leave the session now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, are you getting any idea from, are you getting any knowledge from the quizzes, isn't it? Quizzes are most important. Quizzes, like, improve your, competitive spirit, as well as, it improve your accuracy. So that is the reason we are conducting quizzes on regular basis. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Taruni.
sir, I'm having a doubt, sir. Sir, are you Tamilian?
No.